Now let's see vertical sextant angle. As the name suggests, we are using the sextant to measure the angle of the lighthouse for the vertical height to get the distance off from the lighthouse for obtaining a fix with the bearing and distance. So if we have a bearing and distance, we take the bearing of this lighthouse, and by taking the vertical sextant angle, if we have this height, we can measure this distance with this angle. We have the angle and we have the height, so we can get this distance with the formula. And once we get this distance, then we have the distance, we have the bearing, so we get our fix. So this is the process of vertical sextant angle. You get the sextant angle of the vertical height of the lighthouse, and you get the distance off, and you take the bearing and you get the fix. So let's see how it works. So the height and vertical section angles is measured. So we are proceeding to a coast and looking on a nautical chart. We spot lighthouse A, and you check from the light characteristics that it has a charted height of 103 meters or 338 feet. Make sure that this height is above mean high water spring. So we have to calculate the corrected height from the sea level. So this height of the lighthouse is from mean high water spring, and we have to correct it with the formula that we will see. So we get we correct the lighthouse height, and then we take the sextant to measure the angle of the lighthouse, and we find the vertical angle from the horizontal surface is 2 degrees 30 minutes. So we need the height of lighthouse from the present sea level to the height of lighthouse, as we can see, because we are getting the angle for this distance, this height. So the height of the lighthouse should be from the present sea level, and the angle is 2 degrees 30 minutes from the sea level to the lighthouse. Then only we'll get the correct distance. So we get the corrected height is 105 meters. And the vertical sextant is equal to 2 degrees 30 minutes. Now this is the formula. If you have the height in feet, so h is equal to into 0.565 upon v, that is the vertical sextant angle, in minutes. So here the height in feet is 345 feet into 0.565, and vertical sextant angle in minutes is 150, so it's 1.3 nautical miles. And if you have the height of lighthouse in meters, so we have the formula. uh, Distance of in nautical miles is equal to height of lighthouse into 1.854 upon vertical sextant angle in minutes. Now height of the lighthouse is given in the chart is from mean high water spring, and we need the height from present water level, which is maybe few meters above or below mean high water spring. So the height of lighthouse on the chart plus minus the difference between mean high water spring and the present water level, that it will be added if present water level is below mean high water spring, and negative if present water level is above mean high water spring. And vertical section angle should be corrected for index error. So this is the way of calculating bearing distance of for vertical section angle.